Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to fix Capcut when this is not showing you any templates. So first of all, I'm going into my Google Play Store and I'm going to look for Capcut. So your app must be upgraded. So if the green button doesn't say open but upgrade, please click on it and upgrade your app. Now, if your Capcut is upgraded, please open your app and there you're gonna find almost at the half of your screen 3 different menus. Edit, the projects that you have created, templates, and camera. Templates obviously could appear on 0, so what you must do is go to your web browser and open a tab that says, let me show you, Capcut templates. Okay, so the first option, it's gonna show you different Capcut templates. So obviously you are going to click in one of these options, and at the bottom of your screen there is a green button that says use template. If you may click on that, your Capcut is gonna open, and I'm going to look for some photos to select 3 on this template. Some templates could, I don't know, like request a different use of photos or just one. In this case are just 3. And here I have the example with my photos. Obviously, if I may click on the X at the top of my screen, I can save these and I'm going to have these templates on my Capcut.